Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on data exercises part 2. This video is a continuation of the practice exercises we've been doing, and it just helps you revise all the different topics. This is the first slide, and I'll keep it on for a little while, and you can answer them on a sheet of paper if you like, and you can check the answer at the end. Now pause the video at any time for as long as you want. This is slide number 2, and you can pause it whenever you want, as always. And this is the third slide, and the answers will follow after this one. This is the first slide with answers on it, just to help you check your own, and naturally it's up to you for how long you pause the slide. This is the second slide which has answers. And this is the last slide with the answers.